What's going on, everybody? Today I got a video. We're going to showcase this Boltund V, this little Pokemon tin, and this Knockout collection. We're just going to see what's inside each of them and open up a few packs. So first, let's check out this Knockout collection. I've heard you can get Evolving Skies from it. I don't know how lucky we're going to be or even how true that is. But we got our packs right here. Sorry, guys. Sometimes my mic has a mind of its own. But the box was empty. We got our packs right here. We got some promos that we have inside here. I struggle just a little bit before I decide to pull out the blade. You all know how I do. And on the inside here, we got Shaman, which looks super sparkly, super cool. I love that little swirl in the corner. We got Zerora, which honestly isn't as shiny or sparkly as the other one. And then we have Marshadow, which I love that big swirl right there in the background. I love how he's blowing out the candles with his fists, too. That's an awesome one. Code card. And now for the part that everybody's been waiting for. We got the 2 packs. Vivid Voltage, Chilling Rain. A nice little selection. Not the Evolving Skies that we were looking for. But we're going to open up both of these right now. We got the Chilling Rain first. I just want to say thank you all for watching. And I hope you have as much fun as I do while making these videos. And right here I noticed my mic wasn't working. And I'm sorry, guys. I put my cards off camera there for a second. It was just pure reflex. Sorry, y'all. I just hit my mic and it came undone. I had to plug it back in. So we got Ladian, Seabold, Galarian Chestplate. We got our trusty Energy. Shuppet. Looks like he's seen a ghost, funny enough. Squovet. Spheal. Look how cute Spheal is. You almost want him as a pet. Swirlix, he's in a little donut. Yamask. Thwacky. I love that. And a Melanie, guys. Look at that. We pulled the rainbow one. I can't remember how long ago. Maybe a week or two now. But nice pull. Nice. Wasn't expecting a Melanie out of that. Funny enough, pulling this card on this video, we've been on a fart spell for our full art or big old fart series. So this would have been a nice card for that. Alright, and let's dig into this Vivid Voltage, everybody. Promise I won't turn my mic off this time. Aromatic Energy, Delmise, Electric Energy, Voltorb, classic, Rockruff, Tailo, kind of looks more realistic than most of the other arts, Yanma. Well, Lugia wanted to make an appearance, Wooper. Alright, well, we've seen the Lugia reverse. Absolutely love that artwork, though. Berserker. Alright, next we're going to see what is inside this tin. Now, I do believe all of these items were came out in 2022. which in my opinion is slowly turning into like a golden age of Pokemon, where all of these sword and shield packs are kind of being sought after right now. It's kind of cool. And inside the tin, we have 3 packs. We have this coin right here. I don't know who that is offhand. Maybe y'all can tell me in the comments. On our packs, Silver Tempest, Brilliant Stars. Now these we're going to add to our full art or big ol' fart series, everybody. And lastly, we got our Boltund V showcase. And looks like everything is right in here. We're empty in there. And this one, I believe, comes with 3 packs as well. Ah, yes, there's everything. So we got a code card. We got a nice Boltund V. Is that a Black Star promo? It is a Black Star promo. That is awesome. Oh, where is it? We are going to stick it in our little book for promos and etc. cards. A little portfolio. Perfect. And for the Boltund V packs, we got Rebel Clash, Brilliant Stars, and we are going to open up this Charizard one right here for y'all. The other 2, full art or big old fart. Tune in daily. And let's see what is in this Charizard pack, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe that's a good sign. We got some cleansing gloves. Cincino. Prinplup. V-Star Mark. Sock. Golett. Core Fish. Chimicho. The Chimchar. Warmadam. It's a funny one. And a Moltres Hollow to end it. Alright guys, hope you had fun. These items, they're not too expensive, so I would go out and grab them if you see them on the shelf for sure. Thanks everybody.